Good morning students. In today's video we are going to learn how to divide a decimal number by a whole number, and second topic is how to divide a decimal number by a decimal number, right? So let's begin with the first topic, that is how to divide a decimal number by a whole number. So here I will take 0.2 as a decimal number, and I am going to divide this decimal number by a whole number, that is 2. Right, now as you all know, the very first step is we have to ignore the decimal point. We'll get 2, or we can write 0.2 also, right? Here I will take only 2 and I will divide it by 10. Yes, now we'll keep the divide symbol as it is, and even 2 also as it is. You know, when we are dividing any number, we have to change that division sign to the multiplication sign, and then we have to reciprocal it, isn't it? Here also we will do the same process. Here 2 by 10 it is there, right? I am going to change this decimal sign by a multiplication sign, then I will reciprocal this whole number, that is 1 divided by 2, right? I got it is 1 divided by 2. Now we'll multiply these two values. 2 ones are 2, denominator to the denominator, 10 twos are 20, right? We can see that it will get simplified further, so we have to simplify it. 2 ones are 2, again 2 ones are 2, and 0. We got 1 divided by 10. Again we have to represent this in a decimal form. Now you know, already learnt in previous video how to represent this. Yes, now we are here, there is a single 0, so I have to give the decimal point after a single digit. Then I got the answer as 0.1, right? This is how we have to divide a decimal number by a whole number. We'll take second problem. 12.96 is divided by 4 here, right? So you know that first we have to remove the decimal point and write that. Here we have to divide it by 100 because the decimal point is present after the 2 digit, and we'll keep 4 as it is. Now 1296 divided by 100, and the second step is we need to change this decimal sign to the multiplication sign. Then third step is we have to reciprocal it and write, that is 1 divided by 4. We'll get 1296 into 1 means 1296, right? Now 400s will get 400. Now we'll simplify it. 4 table, in 4 table only, 4 ones are 4, these two zeros, again 4 threes are 12, again 4 twos are 8, remaining is 1, 4 fours are 16. Here we got 324 divided by 100, right? So we have to give the decimal point after 2 digit, means after 2. 3.24 is the answer. When we divide 12.96 by 4, we'll get the answer as 3.24, right? Okay, next we'll know how to divide a decimal number by a decimal number. We'll take first example. Here we'll learn how to divide decimal number by a decimal number, right? So 0.4 we'll take, and we have to divide this 0.4 by 0.2. You all know that the very first step is again ignoring the decimal point of both the decimal numbers separately. Means after removing decimal point of 0.4 will come as 4 divided by 10. We'll keep this divide as it is, sign as it is, right? And after removing decimal point of 0.2 we'll get 2, we'll divide it by 10, isn't it? Now we'll write this 4 by 10 as it is, because we have to divide 0.4 by 0.2. So we'll keep this as it is. Now we have to change this decimal sign to the multiplication sign. This is the second step. Third step is we have to reciprocal this fraction now. Reciprocaling means 10 divided by 2. Right? Now we'll simplify. This you can see that 10 ones are 10, again 10 ones are 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Here we got 2 ones are, sorry, this is 2 ones are 2, this is 2 twos are 4, right? Now 2 ones are 2 and 1 ones are 1, or we can write it as 2. Yes, this is how we have to divide a decimal number by a decimal number. We'll take one more example. 22.5 is divided by 1.5. First step, we'll remove the decimal point and write that will get divided by 10. Second, first step only. Now again 15 divided by 10. We'll change the decimal sign to the multiplication sign. That is 15 divided by 10, right? Sorry. After changing the division sign to the multiplication sign, we have to reciprocal this, yes or no? So we have to reciprocal it. That means 10 divided by 15. Now you can observe that again 10 get cancels. Now how much are 15? We'll simplify it by 5 table only. 5 3s are 15. Again 5 4s are 20. Remaining is 2. 5 5s are 25. Now again 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Remaining is 1. 3 5s are 15. Thus we got the answer 15 1s are 15, and this also 1 1s are 1. Thus we got answer as 15 here, right? A decimal number by again decimal number using second method, right? In example 1 and 2 you learned how to divide a decimal number using this symbol, yes or no? Now they have given it is in the form like this. Now we have to divide these two numbers. How to divide means, here as you all know that first step is we have to ignore the decimal point and write 0.203 divided by 07, right? Now here at the denominator place there is a decimal point after the single digit, so we have to multiply this numerator by the 10, and at the numerator place again there is a decimal point after the single digit only, so again we have to multiply this denominator by the what, 10 only. Now this symbol will come, divide symbol we have to insert. Now we'll simplify it. You can, as I told, you can ignore this 0 because it present before the 7 here. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, remaining is 6 is remaining, right? Then 7 9s are 63, and 10 get cancels here. So we got here 1s are 29 1s are 29, 1 1s are 1. We can ignore the decimal number because it is 1. So we got answer 29. When we divide 20.3 by 0.7, we'll get the answer as 29. This is the second method, how to divide a decimal number by the decimal number. We'll see one more example for the second method. Here we'll divide 33.725. We have to divide this by 0.25. The very first step, we'll write the ignoring, we'll write the numbers here first, then here I have ignored the decimal point, then here also I have ignored the decimal point. You all know that here at the denominator place there is a decimal point after 2 digits, right? So we have to multiply it by 100. And for the at the numerator place there is a decimal point after 3 digits, isn't it? So we have to multiply it by 1000 and we have to insert this division symbol. Now we'll simplify it. 2 zeros get cancels. Now 5 table, we'll simplify it in 5 table. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 6 are 30, remaining is 3. Then 5 7s are 35, remaining is 3. 5 6 are 30, remaining is 2. Yes, then 5 5s are 25. Again it will get simplified by 5. See, 5 1s are 5. Again 5 1s are 5, remaining is 1. 5 3s are 15, remainder is 2. 5 5s are 25, remainder is 1. 5 3s are 15. Thus we got answer as, this is the answer, right? This is 1. 1 3 5 3. Here it is 1, it was already simplified. And at the denominator place, still 10 is remaining after cancelling 2 zeros, right? So 10 ones are 10. Now you can give the decimal point after single digit because there is a single 0 present. 5.3. Thus this is the required answer. Next we'll solve exercise problem, that is 2.7, which is the last exercise of fractions and decimals chapter.